Hello and welcome. My name is Zachary Heinel with Dorado Defense. We're going to talk about identity and access management. What is it? Identity and access management, as if you've seen any of my videos before, is the management of your online identities and the access that those identities have. So if you think about your systems and your employees, if you have all of your employees within your customer relationship database, and all those employees have the same access, depending on the information you store there, that could be a mistake. If you have your delivery employees that have access to customer social security numbers, accounting information, revenue, or anything like that, that's information they typically don't need. And it's something that they could use to do something malicious. Now, of course, that you trust your employees. You wouldn't have them on your team if you didn't trust them. However, most crimes are done through opportunity of a crime. So most people never have the intent of committing a crime until something there is obvious that they would be able to without anyone really realizing or knowing what happened. And those opportunities is what information security within an insider threat hopes to deter. So when you're thinking about identity and access management, think about what your employees need to do their job. And then don't give them any more than they need to do their job. And that, at the heart of it, is identity and access management and least privilege. You get what you need to do your job and nothing further. You don't have access to the keys to the kingdom or global administrator accounts or anything like that unless it fits your job description. If you have any questions on this, my name is Zachary Heinel with Dorado Defense. Have a great day.